and welcome to this tutorial on automating vulnerability scans in CI/CD workflows. If the term CI/CD sounds new or a bit intimidating, don't worry, I'll break it all down in simple terms. By the end of this video, you'll understand 1. Understanding CI/CD, what it is and how it works. 2. The importance of automating vulnerability scans, why security should be built into the pipeline. 3. How vulnerability scans fit into CI/CD, the role of security at each stage. 4. Top tools for automating vulnerability scanning, popular tools and their use cases. 5. Key benefits and challenges, why automation is worth it and how to handle common issues. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What is CI/CD? CI/CD stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment, or Delivery. It's a workflow that helps developers build, test, and deploy software quickly and reliably. Continuous Integration (CI), this is when developers frequently merge their code changes into a shared repository. Every time a change is made, the system automatically builds and tests the new code to catch issues early. Continuous Deployment (CD), this takes it one step further. Once the code is tested and verified, it's automatically deployed to the live environment where users can access it. This ensures a smooth and quick rollout of updates. Think of CI/CD as a factory assembly line for software. Each step ensures the product is being built and tested properly before it's released to the public. Now that you understand CI/CD, let's talk about why automating vulnerability scans is crucial. Vulnerability scans are like security checkpoints for your software. They look for weak spots, like outdated libraries, insecure code, or misconfigured settings, that hackers could exploit. Here's why automation matters. 1. Speed. In CI/CD workflows, things move fast. Automating scans ensures that security checks happen quickly, without slowing down development. 2. Consistency. Automated scans run the same way every time, so nothing gets missed due to human error. 3. Early detection. Scans are integrated into every stage of the CI/CD pipeline, so vulnerabilities are caught early, before they make it into the live environment. By automating scans, security becomes a built-in part of development, a concept known as DevSecOps, which stands for Development plus Security plus Operations. Now, let's see where vulnerability scans fit into the CI/CD pipeline. Imagine your pipeline as a series of steps. 1. Code commit. A developer writes code and pushes it to a shared repository. 2. Build stage. The system automatically packages the code into a build, like creating an app or a website. 3. Test stage. Before moving forward, automated tests check the functionality to make sure everything works as expected. 4. Deploy stage. If everything passes, the app is deployed. So, where do vulnerability scans happen? Vulnerability scans are implemented during the test stage. Here, some scanning tool runs alongside the usual test to check for vulnerabilities. For example, Static Application Security Testing (SAST), which scans the actual code for vulnerabilities, like insecure patterns or outdated functions. Dynamic Application Security Testing (DAST), which simulates real-world attacks on the running application to find weaknesses. Also, vulnerability scans are implemented before deployment stage. Some scanning tools employed for this include dependency scanning, which ensures third-party libraries are secure. Container scanning, which checks Docker images for vulnerabilities. If an issue is found, the pipeline stops and alerts developers to fix it before deployment. Several tools can help automate security scans in your CI/CD pipeline. Here are some of the most popular ones. SonarQube, ideal for analyzing code quality and identifying vulnerabilities in the source code. A WASP Zap, a free tool that scans for vulnerabilities in running applications, especially web apps. Trivi, great for scanning containers to ensure they don't have known vulnerabilities. Snike, focused on identifying issues and dependencies, the libraries and packages your app uses. Nexus IQ, monitors open source components in your application and flags security risks. Many of these tools integrate with Jenkins, GitHub Actions, and GitLab CI, making them easy to incorporate into your pipeline. So, what do you gain by automating vulnerability scans in your CI/CD workflows? Here are the key benefits. Enhanced user trust. Keeping your application secure reduces the risk of breaches, improving user confidence in your product. Developer friendly. By integrating scans directly into the pipeline, developers get immediate feedback, allowing them to fix issues before moving forward. Shift left security. Security is handled early in the development process, reducing the cost and time needed to fix issues later. Improved compliance. Many industries have regulations that require regular security checks. Automating scans helps meet these requirements effortlessly. However, there are some challenges to consider. False positives. Sometimes, scans might flag harmless issues as vulnerabilities. To overcome this, you can fine-tune the tool's settings and review flagged issues carefully. Pipeline slowdown. Adding scans can slightly increase build times. To mitigate this, you can schedule deeper scans during off-peak hours or limit some scans to critical stages. Tool compatibility. Some tools might not integrate perfectly with your existing CI/CD platform. Be sure to choose tools that are compatible and well documented. By addressing these challenges, you can ensure seamless and effective vulnerability scanning in your CI/CD workflows. Let's recap what we've covered. We explained what CI/CD is and how it streamlines development. We discussed why automating vulnerability scans is essential for security. We explored where scans fit into the CI/CD pipeline and the different types of security tests. We introduced popular security tools like SonarQube, Awasp Zap, Trivi, Snike, and Nexus IQ. We looked at the benefits and challenges of automating security scans. By integrating vulnerability scans into your pipeline, you're not just developing software, you're developing secure software. Security isn't a one-time task, it's an ongoing process that should be built into every stage of development. With the right tools and best practices, you can deliver faster, safer, and more reliable applications. Please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thanks for watching.